Hi guys, welcome back. So this week I'm planning to do some work on the track here. Hopefully over the next week I'll get it mostly done, but I'm gonna start over today. Head out with the Mini. We're gonna swale around the whole field because it's got this much water in it all over right now. So just try to dry that out and make a swale to the pond. So we're gonna do that. This is the only excavator I got here now, so this is we're gonna have to use, but yeah, hopefully get it done within the week and yeah, let's go. I just started crossing under the fence and I blew a hose. Of course, right? Check this out. So it's right here, hole in it, and there's fluid everywhere. So gotta get that fixed before we continue. But of course, blew a hose. We'll get that repaired, I guess, and get back to it. Alright guys, so this is the joint that we're taking off, and then it's one of the long ones, so it runs all the way down the stick to the bottom. So the bottom of that cylinder, I think, pretty sure. Yeah, so we got to take this whole thing off, so we'll get that out. Alright guys, we got the excavator repaired, and we're going to start digging again. I only can dig for a short time this morning because I have to bring this to a job to finish tomorrow. So we're going to dig quickly across this, probably get into here, and then I'll bring this back, and then we'll be out here in a couple of days to continue with this project. So yeah, let's get to this. Alright guys, we just finished. I made it up pretty far here, so I tried to drain this corner that's been really flooding really bad, and it's actually working pretty well. So it's messy right now. I gotta clean it up. We'll touch up the edges and move these piles of dirt. But yeah, it looks good for now. Alright guys, we're gonna keep going. I brought the machine up to this corner and we're gonna start right there. I'm gonna work my way back with a nice little grade. I'm gonna try to get it as close to grade as I can for now. But it's like raining and stuff now, so I'm not gonna bring up the laser or anything, but we're gonna get it as close as we can and just kind of pitch it down here. I got some good sand here, so I just dug kind of a hole there, but I'll probably just level that out in a minute. We're gonna try to dig this down here and then get into where I was before and then neaten that up a little bit, but yeah, should be good.